Check this out, this is the new premium hammer drill driver from Dewalt. This 3-speed drill is Dewalt's most powerful one yet, featuring a brand new brushless motor and transmission, delivering up to 169 Newton meters of torque where you need it. It can do tasks in third gear that the previous King the 999 could only do in second. You got all that extra punch in what is a shorter, more compact chassis. It is a little stout, but it is able to get into tighter spaces. Across the top of the tool up front, you've got a 13mm chuck and that 3-speed select switch on the rear. And in between, you've got that collar that spins around with 11 adjustable torque settings, as well as the hammer drill selector. And something I hadn't noticed before, but in that hammer drill select mode, you do get additional RPMs in each of the 3 gears. And when hammer drilling in top speed, 38,250 impacts per minute. Now, even with the included side handle, all that power and speed tends to make you feel like your wrists don't have long for this world. But they've got a really nice E-clutch which saves the day should the drill bit bind or jam mid-bore. Now down the base of the drill, you've got an adjustable work light which you can turn on and off. It's also got a third setting there, same as that hydraulic drill from a previous video. You can turn it on for 20 minutes, so it can double as a flashlight or a work light if you're working in a dark space. It's gutsy, it's compact, for drilling, for driving, for hammering. It's available now in the Dewalt aisle at your local Cindy Tools store, or head online, cindytools.com.au for the full specs. To order online, make sure you check it out. And if you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Cindy Tools TV.